solder repair. This thing's very old. As far as I can tell, it's brass wire woven into a basket. You can see the light shine through here. Okay. And what happened was that somebody set something really heavy on it. Okay. And both of these legs fell off. Now they have to be soldered back on. What's really cool is that there's a ridge on these things. So they fit in one spot. But in order to solder this back on, this needs to be cleaned here and this needs to be cleaned here. And there's no way around that, unfortunately, in order for it to work. But with the ridge on there, okay, they would be self-leveling if everything's put in there correctly. So I have to clean this with a wire brush like this. Get it shiny again. And I have to do this to the feet also. Do this to the feet also, so I can solder it back on. There's just no way around not cleaning this. And there are some kind of marks here, but they're too faint to make out. So it could have come from England. God only knows where it came from. But this is what I got to do. There's just no way around it. It's got to be done in order for it to work. So I'll post a picture when I've got it put back together. But I thought you might like to see that. This is one of the things that I wind up having to do because, you know, I advertise things that can be soldered. Well, this definitely can be soldered. So it's something that I wind up having to work on. You know, there's just no way around. You want to be able to solder to something like this, you've got to clean it. So that it'll take solder. But you also have to have a powerful enough iron to be able to solder something like this. Okay, this is my American Beauty, 175 watt. This thing puts out some heat. So that's what I'm going to be using to solder this thing. So thank you, God bless, and have a good evening. Good night.